It's 9 o'clock in the morning. For today's video, we're going to try our breakfast bowl review. Tingnan natin ito. At napakahilig bumili. Napakahilig bumili ng anak ko kung ganito. Protein daw. Yeah. Protein daw. Tingnan natin. Ilalagay natin siya. Ikukook natin siya sa microwave. Let's see. It has 350 calories. Yan ang kanyang nutrition facts in one. And cholesterol 72%, fat 32%. And then total carbohydrates 5%. Fiber 7%, and protein 30%. Yan. Yan. We're going to open it, put it in the microwave. Okay? This is scrambled eggs with roasted red potatoes, breakfast sausage, bell pepper, roasted onions, and 3 cheese sauce. So, entonces, marami Sanchez. We're gonna cook this in 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes, we're going to mix this. And do not open it thoroughly. And then I'm going to mix it and cook it again for another 2 minutes. So entonces you cook it 5 minutes. Yan. So we're gonna put that and cook it for 3 minutes. So after cooking from the microwave, we have to remove the. Ito lang siya, ganito lang siya karami. Pero ano siya, 350 calories. Pero ano, mukha siyang masarap and healthy. Because when you watch calorie, you can eat like this. It has potato, cheese, and a little bit of meat. But this is already 350 calories. This little amount. So we need to taste it. The moment of truth. I'm not much of this kind of food. I usually just boil, cook fish or vegetables or eggs. But this is the first time I'm gonna try this because my son got this one. Masarap. Tastes good. And it's so good. Tapos meron akong kape. Perfect. So yun lang guys, para sa akin okay siya. Enough amount lang talaga siya. Hindi ka masyadong mabubusog, but you eat the healthy one. It's perfect for breakfast or brunch like that.